Welcome once again to Learn Math with Bola. I want to say that thank you for watching my videos, for checking my tutorials, and I want to also appreciate everyone that have subscribed to the channel. Thank you for encouraging me, for letting me realize that someone out there is actually learning. I want to say that if you are watching this for the first time, please subscribe to this channel so that you can get more notifications and updates anytime I post videos. So today our topic is writing numerals in words. Writing numbers in words. Simply, you can say writing numbers in words. That means you are writing from numbers, you are writing it in words. So let's move on. Our learning objective for today will be to identify number positions. To identify the position of numbers, we have done that, but this is a refresher. Then write numerals in words. And I want to add that if you did not watch my previous video on how to find place value of number, please watch the video, especially if you have not done place value before, because in this video I used the place value method to explain how to write numbers in words. The first thing we are going to do is to write first recite 1 to 20. We are going to read 1 to 20, and then you are wondering, I'm not in kindergarten or nursery, I'm in primary school, or probably an adult. I want us to read 1 to 20 so that we can use it to refresh our memory, because that is the basics of writing numbers in words. So we start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So clap for yourself. Even though I can't see you clapping, I want to assume I can hear you clapping. So we've recited 1 to 20. Now let's move on from 1 to 20. We are going higher. In this video, we'll be going up to hundreds. So write in words 3, 1, 2. Very simple. 3, 1, 2. Now, using the place value method, first write the place value of the numbers on each of the numbers. Just write out their place value on each of them. Then from there we proceed. The first number you have here is what? 3. So we write it out in words. T-H-R-E-E. 3. Very good. So we go on. Then you follow the 3. The 3 will be followed by the place value of the 3, and that is what? 100. Let me say it again. You write out the first number, which is 3, then followed by its place value, which is 100. Are we good? Now, the next step, tens and units are usually called together. They are called like one, as if they are one. And that is why I said let's recite 1 to 20, because that is the basics of the tens and the units. So, and 300, and we call the last two numbers together, and that is what? 12. So we wrote this in what? 300 and 12. So the first number out of the 3 will carry its own place value. Then the remaining 2, you call it like one number, as if they are together, and that is what? 12. Let's go on to the next example. I hope you get this in this particular example. 657. The place value is the next thing. So what do I do next? The first number you have here is what? 6. So I write out that number as what? 6. The next step, what is the place value of 6? 100. Very good. So the place value of 6 is what? 100. Then I follow it with the last two numbers. And what is the last two number? 5 and 7 is called what? 57. So we just write it out as 57. I hope you understand this. It is very simple. Be patient, be calm. I'm sure you'll get it. Let's go on to another one. We have 120. The place value first. Don't forget the place value first. The first number in this example is what? 1. And how do you write 1? O-N-E. Correct. So you follow it with the place value of the number, which is what? 100. Abi? Yes. Very good. Then the 2 and the 0. You call them as if they are together. We write them as if they are together. So it will be 120. I hope you get this. I really do hope you get this. So 120 is the same thing as 120. We go on. Write in words 103. Write in words 103. The first step is to write out the numbers. Don't forget that. Then write the place value of each of the numbers on top of them. So 1 in words will be what? O-N-E again. Yes. Then it will be followed by what? Its place value. The place value of 1 is what? 100. Now 03. How do you call 03? 03 will be the same thing as what? 3. Because 3 is the only possible value there. 03, as if you just saw 03. So it will be called 3. There's no need to say 100 and you start thinking of what the tens will be. No. There is no value for tens. It is only the units. So it will just be 103. Let's try this one by ourselves. Let me just give us few seconds to just try it. Yeah, the number is right in words 666, 6, 6 and 6. So how do we write that in words? Just try it out. Okay, you write out the numbers. You write out the place value of the numbers, followed by write out the first number, which is what? 6. Then you write the place value of that same number, which is 100, followed by the word and, right? Then the last two number is what? 6. The last two numbers are 6 and 6. So how do we call 6 and 6? Good. 66. So 66. So the number 6, 6 and 6 will be what in words? 666. Thank you, and with this we have come to the end of the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and also follow on other platforms. Thank you.